Welcome back to my channel. This is Rakta Tech, and today we'll be talking about Grammarly, a software called Grammarly. So Grammarly is just a software that scans and checks your documents or any text or sentence that you write for errors. So it tries to correct your spellings, correct your punctuation, it just tries to make your word or your document a little bit more easier to read and error free. So let's get right into using Grammarly. So exactly why do you use Grammarly, right? You use Grammarly to create, especially when you are trying to write a CV, a formal document that you want no errors. So you're trying to talk to someone that you know the communication must be formal. So you use Grammarly for it. I use Grammarly because I have it installed as an add-on. So I use Grammarly for almost all my text that I'm writing, right? So I have it installed as an extension here. So I use Grammarly for almost all my text that I'm writing because it's installed there. I can use it on my Google Docs. I can use it when I'm writing on Facebook or mostly any social media. So I use Grammarly that way. So let's get right into using Grammarly. So where do you go to in order to use this sweet software? Go to this link, grammarly.com. Just type in your whether on your system or your laptop, you type in grammarly.com. So grammarly.com will take you here, and you see this. First of all, you have to log in. You either log in or sign up, and you add to Chrome. Because I've added to Chrome, I don't need to do this. So once you do that, you'll be able to log in. And if you don't have if you don't pay for the premium, you don't pay for it. It's basically free, but if you want to get more context out of it, you have to pay for premium, like plagiarism and things like that. So you have to pay for premium, but I use the free version. So I add to Chrome. So once I add to Chrome, it comes here. So let's since I've added to Chrome, I really don't need to do that. Also, it works with your email. So if you are trying to type an email, it works with it. It works with your messenger, all your emails and messages. It works with social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Medium. Medium is actually for writing. So writing a blog. So it works with this, your Google Docs, your Salesforce, your Slack. For developers, it work with this. So let's get right into using this for this extension. So I have a document here. So you have what is Grammarly, right? So this is just a text that has errors, a document that has errors, and I purposely created the errors. So for us to change this, so it's telling me here because I've installed Grammarly and I've um I've installed Grammarly as an extension for my Chrome, and I logged in. So I have this. So it's saying that there are two errors. So it's highlighting this as error. So you can change this. So I've changed that. So it's highlighting this also as an error. So I changed that. So there are other errors here, but because we're not using the premium version, so it's saying that there are some errors that are only for premium. So you have 4 suggestions for premium. So this is showing that the correctness is high, the clarity is kind of a little bit low, engagement is high, delivery is high. That means this text is a very good text, it's standard, right? So it's also just suggesting that I can rephrase how this is. So let me click on it. So it's telling me that I can do Grammarly helps instead of from this. Grammarly helps you, so I'm just going to say I should rephrase it instead of. So, and that is that, right? So this is just for Google Docs, right? The same thing for Facebook. Here I have how have you been, so I wanted to write have, so it's suggesting that that error is here, so just that, right? And I post if I want to. Now the next thing we're going to look at is using it with Word, right? Using it with Word, the same text, right? It's showing me the same errors, so it's saying that this and this. So how does it work with my Word document? Now take note that Word document is my Microsoft Word on my system, right? It's not Google Docs online on Google. So this is on my system. So this is how it works. You go to this link. Once you go to this link, you say get the add-in, it's free, and when you click on it, you'll be able to add it to your Word software, Microsoft Word. So right, let me change this. I'm just going to click that, organize, and help. Changes it to help. So the same thing I did here, right? I could do it here. So the next thing we are going to do now, so it's still saying the same thing, 4 additional errors if I do the Pentium. So we're not going to go with that. The next thing I'm going to do now is this. Then there's also the Grammarly desktop application. So the Grammarly desktop application looks like this. What I want to do is still the same text, but here is showing me that there are more than one errors, right? There are more than 2 errors that we've been looking at since. So here I'm just going to change this to organize this. I'm going to change this to help, right? And here I'm going to do this. So right, so that is all I need for you, and this is all. So that's what Grammarly does. Grammarly just helps you to correct your text. And thank you for watching today's video. Please take note to subscribe, and I'm very sorry for putting the video out this late. It will be more consistent later in the future. Thank you very much, and bye bye.